Hi, so today we're going to have a look at the properties of acids and bases. So basically, here is our pH scale, and on our pH scale over here, you can see that we've got a bunch of standard, everyday acids and bases, or alkalis. I prefer the term alkali, so I'm going to use that from now on, just because. First off, we can see a distilled water there. It is neutral. Now, neutral does not mean there's no acids or bases going on. What it actually means is that distilled water has this equation happening on the inside. Always put our subscripts there. And you have, so every now and then, water will just disassociate on itself. It will just sort of break into these guys. So a neutral solution, neutral distilled water will still have this reaction happening, but you'll notice that you have as many hydroniums as you do hydroxides. Then we get to our acids. Our acids have more hydroniums and less hydroxides. Okay, and these are things such as black coffee, which is about a 5, lemon juice is about a 2, gastric acid, which is what's in your stomach, is about a 1, tomato juice is about a 4, and then we can have a look at our bases, or our alkalis, which will have less hydronium ions and more hydroxide ions in the solution, and these are things like seawater, baking soda, bleach, so bleach is at 13, soapy water is about a 12, soap's pretty basic, ammonia is about 11, baking soda is about 9. So let's have a look at the properties now that we understand what is just some examples of what basic ones are. Acids, they taste, like they have a specific taste. They taste sour. A sour taste is an acid. Bases taste bitter. When you've got an acid on your skin, it feels like it's burning. Whereas when you've got a base on your skin or an alkali on your skin, it feels soapy and slippery, and that's still doing damage to you. So that's cool. It's just a one way to tell what it is. Acids tend to be electrically conductive in solution, whereas bases are much less electrically conductive in solution. Acids will dissolve to produce hydrogen ions or protons, and then hydronium ions, whereas bases such as sodium hydroxide will dissolve to produce hydroxide ions. An acid will turn blue litmus red. Red litmus will stay red. A base will turn red litmus blue, and a blue litmus will stay blue. You have a pH of less than 7 and a pH of greater than 7. You also have a high power of hydrogen and a low power of hydrogen. And we'll finish it off just by noting that neutral is a pH of 7. And that's right in the middle there. And that's when you have the same number of, or the same amount, same concentration of hydrogen ions as you do hydroxide ions. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.